What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be metal detecting again in the farmland. I'm at a different part though. Last few times I went to the pond, like right next to the pond along the tree line, but now I'm gonna go kind of pretty far from that area, and I'm just gonna try out this new spot over here. It's like a whole different side of the field, so let's hope I have some good luck over here. Let's go. It's about a 60 and 55 right here. Could be foil, but I'm gonna try it anyway. I think it rained. Yeah, it rained like all day yesterday and all night. Right now it's like it's just a little misty out, so it's not really that bad. So I have it right here. I'm not sure what it is just yet. Looks like there's a hole right here in the top middle. Not really sure what that goes to. Right next to it, getting like a high 40s, low 50s right here. Got it out right here. Looks like it's made out of the same stuff as the other thing. I don't know what it is. Get about a 64, 61 right here. It's pretty shallow, so might as well get it. I don't know what that is, but looks like it might be part to some kind of fence or something. I don't know. It's like a little washer or something, but it's got this little thing on it. I don't know. So I guess there's a little trail right here. It must have been made this hunting season. And there was another one over there. You could see the big deer stand in the tree, but I might have to check that out in a little bit and maybe see if there's anything over there. No way. I'm getting a 76, 75. There's got to be a coin. I think that's what the Indian head penny was last time. Dang it. It's a can. God, I was so confident that was going to be a coin. Just found some big dog tracks. Yeah, they're pretty big. Definitely coyotes. It's about 35-ish right here. Shotgun shell. Piece to one. Always get a lot of these out here. It keeps jumping from the 40s to 60s, 70s, 80s, mostly in the 80s. It's pretty deep, so I'm gonna just try to get this up real quick. Right on it. But here it is. Not sure what it is. Alright, I think I'm gonna try this trail now. There's a lot of iron over here. I don't know if I'm gonna keep going this way. There's a lot of water and super muddy. Plus, I'm just getting a ton of iron signals, so. Oh gosh, this thing's big. I just seen this little bolt sticking out the ground. I tried to lift it up. I think it's in some wood or something. Just a big old some kind of nail, giant piece of wood. I think I'm gonna dig this. It's about 40 to 55, sometimes 60s. It's about the 5th time I've been getting catfished by these dang shotgun shells. Gosh dang it. So I was going along this little stretch right here where it's all muddy and it seems like the water pulls up here the most. Got a pretty high 60 signal. Let's hope it's something good. So we got it out, I think. Yeah. Try to wash it off right here. Not sure if y'all can see that. But it looks like the top to something. It's got a really cool design, it looks like. It's got some letters around the edge. Huh. I would say a beer top, but it's kind of too small for that. I don't know. It looks like it used to be golden color. You can see it through the green. I'm trying to make out what the design is and the letters. Okay, so don't know if y'all can see that, but there's stars right here. At least 5, it looks like. Can't tell what the letters say. I wonder if I should. It looks like it's bent in half. I might have to try to pry it open or something without breaking it. Maybe that'll help. I'll do that later. That's cool though. I really wish I knew what that is. Hope I can find out at least. Okay, so I was looking at it right here and wiping off some of the letters, and I can make out, I know for a fact right here it says Tyrann, T-Y-R-A-N-N. There's two. Can't figure out the last letter right here. Alright guys, I don't believe this, but it actually is a Civil War button. I think it's a Confederate button. It says Sic Semper Tyrannis or Tyrannus on it, and I looked it up, so I guess it means like tyrannist or whatever will eventually get what they deserve or something like that. I don't know. That is awesome. I'm gonna put a picture up of what it looks like if it was like brand new. That is awesome, dude. I did not expect that. Let's go. There's a nice blue piece of glass right here. Really light blue. That's cool. I think I'm gonna head back and get the bike. I might go to the pond and go metal detect where I was in my first exploring and collecting video. I don't think I metal detected there yet, so I've always wanted to try it out there, so I think I'm gonna go do that. Look at this tree. Wonder what animal did that. Might be a woodpecker. I don't know if there would be a beaver out here doing it to this tree so high up, but I don't know what that is. That's cool though. It's just so cool how deep it can get when the water's really rushing. And there's got to be a bunch of fish that come down here. Yo, guys, no way. Another skull. No antlers, but that's a nice one. It's like really good shape. That's awesome. It's on a little island right here. Thinking I need to get over there. Seems a little more dry and a little bit more flat. I think this might be our bridge across. I don't know, it's looking a little dead. Seems sturdy. That was way more sturdy than I thought it would be. God, look at all that foam. Dude, that's so cool. Well, that's actually satisfying. It just sounds like, I don't know, super soft. That is cool. Guys, no way. I'm not keeping that one because it looks like something's been chewing on it or something. This was just not really in that good shape. Really chipped up. That's awesome. You know, I'm gonna try to find somewhere to hang this. On like a tree or something. I couldn't really find a good tree branch to put it on, so I'm gonna just set it right here on those roots. So there's a big pile of brush right here, and there's actually something under it. About 50s, 60s. Oh, no way. It's a shot bullet. You can see the circle in the back. This was the tip. Now it's busted. You could tell because it's really heavy. That's cool. I wonder how old it is though. Looks like an old pipe. But yeah, it's got all these flat sides, like octagonal or something. I don't know what it is, but it's a cool shape. So I'm getting a really clear 73, 72 signal. Oh, I got it. Well, Got a can. Oh, it's a part of a light bulb. Thought it was a bottle top. See? A light bulb. Guys, I can see one from here. It's another skull. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, this one's like really small, you could tell. Much smaller than the other ones. That's cool. Alright, so I'm getting a really good sounding signal. It's like right on this root, or in between this tree and this root. Definitely aluminum, feels like. Yep, it's a can. God dang. I was just trying to get a nice shot in this whole half of the tree to fall apart. So I switched to the other side of the creek. Just got a 69, 70 signal. So I'm gonna get that up real quick. Yo, no way. Oh, let's go. It's a bullet. Just shot one. But this time it's not all busted up. It's definitely not an old one, I don't think. That's awesome. Let's go. Well guys, that's gonna be it for today. Hope you enjoyed. We found some cool stuff out in the field in the new spot. I think that thing said tyranny or tyrant on it, which is something about the government. I think it's like the abuse of power or something like that, I don't know. We also found those 2 bullets, a bunch of other cool stuff in the woods. There's a lot of garbage back there, so it's kind of hard to pick through it all. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.